Good morning, everyone. John for Popeyes Postcards. Going to do our what sold video. These are the cards that sold on eBay. When was that? The 10th, 11th, and 12th. So you can see 30 orders, $402. Pretty good. Let's go ahead and get into it here. Patriotic Decoration Day, Civil War, Union flags, rose ring tucks. Should have said rose wreath. Maybe I didn't have enough room. $10 on a best offer. That's going overseas. Next, Wildwood, New Jersey. I'm sorry, Wildwood by the Sea, New Jersey. Boardwalk north of Cedar Avenue. It's a linen card, probably late 40s. I don't think that's quite 30s. $6.99 for that one. Next is Dressed Cat, G.L. Barnes, The Queen of Hearts, fairy tale, circa 1908. Sold for 25 bucks. Some of these are going to show up in the Whatnot auction on Tuesday. And that video will be coming later this morning. So $25 for that kitty cat. Los Angeles, California, Trust and Savings Bank Interior Views Teller. Interior banks usually do pretty good. $6 on a best offer. Woman with Horses, Rural Beauties. Came in that auction lots I won last August. $1.99 for that one. Patriotic R33 Presidents, Dwight Eisenhower, circa 1954. Same thing, came in at auction lots of last year. I'm not sure if this person bought two or if I sold one previously, but $3.99 for that card. Same buyer bought this one. Postcard, The Twilight Zone, Rod Sterling and Robbie the Robot. I think this is maybe continental size. Yeah, continental size. $7 on a best offer. Next, sports cricket player, artisan Lance Thackeray, 1904. Did I call it? What did I call it? Yeah, cricket. Geez, I can't talk this morning. Or any day, really. $2 best offer. I don't remember what it was listed at. It might have even gone down further because it was trimmed. You know what? That's right. This was trimmed. I had it up for $2 and I accepted a $1 best offer. And the only reason I did that is this guy had already ordered several cards. And it is going overseas. So it's pretty much a throw in. I don't have to pay for extra shipping. Anywho, space, NASA, Apollo 9, Spider Moon Landing Craft number 2 view. Again, from the auction from last August. And same with this one. Apollo astronauts on the moon. Yeah, came from the auction last year. Have several copies, $2.99. World War I cruiser, USS North Carolina and transport service, Doughboys. Pretty cool card. Took a best offer, probably, I don't know what the best offer was. $20. I took a half off best offer on that one, $20. It's been up for a while, and sales are difficult to come by, and that's a $20 postcard. So $20 for that one. Anything on the back? No, nothing on the back. This is Wisconsin, Green Lake, Wisconsin, Peace Lutheran Church, real photo, $14.99. Probably came, this came from the York Postcard Show from last November. Paid 80 cents for the card, $14.99. Lawrence Deich Hall, this is in Kansas, Museum, Natural History, University of Kansas. $1.99. A lot of those cards from last August's auction lots are selling. So yeah, $1.99 for that card. And we got these ones again, and they sold out, so I'll have to relist, but $1.99 for that card too. So I just relisted 5 more cards, but I just raised it 50 cents. I was going to add 15 cards, whatever. I just did 5 cards, but raised it 50 cents since they seem to sold out in, what, a week maybe? So we'll see what extra 50 cents does. Let me see. Postcard mechanical pop-up butterfly birthday greetings. This one's pretty cool. Let me see if I still have it. Well, it doesn't do much, but it does that. It pops up just a teeny bit, but pretty little card. Could not scan it. That's why the picture looks like that. But yeah, all it does is it just pops up a little bit, but still mechanical because something moves on it. $7.99 for that card. So let's move on. Did I show the back? Oh, there. Gee, I could have shown you that. So there you go. So the buyer knows it doesn't do a full-blown wing flap. Let me see. West Virginia, 1913 Bird's Eye View, Huntington, West Virginia. You get certain Huntington, West Virginia cards, they sell extremely well. $13 for this card. Next buyer bought a whole bunch, well, I don't know, 4 or 5 Valentine's cards. Really good offers. Valentine's Cupid Pushing Wicker Cart full of hearts. $6.79 for that one. Came in the Oxford, PA. That one came out. Oxford, PA. The video I did. Jesus. 90,000 postcard purchase. That one. Valentine Cupid going to shoot a bird carrying heart locket. Cupid the murderer. $5.60 for that card. Valentine's. This is To My Valentine. Cupid sitting in field blue flower heart. Pretty little card. $6.40. Next, Valentine's To My Love Boy and Girl with flowers. Kind of has a Brundage look to it, but I can't say that for 100% certainty. $5.60. This is Valentine's To My Valentine. Cupid purple flower here or heart. Maybe I ran out of room, or I'm just an idiot. Here, dove. So that should have said heart, obviously. That's what happens when you spend 30 seconds listing an item. $6.39. Buyer still understood what I was trying to say. Valentine Cupid in basket carried by white doves. This has been up for 8-9 years at least. $5 best offer. Louisville, Kentucky, 1950s Street View, 4th Street, old cars delivery van. Pretty cool. Looks like there was part of a movie theater right there. $6.99. This is California, Warner Hot Springs Real Photo, RPPC. Another card that's been up for quite a while. Man, look at that red background. Oof. Best sale of the weekend, Stone Harbor, New Jersey, the Worcester Apartments, 107th Street and Sunset. Extremely old view. I paid 40 cents for this card. It's from that antique booth dealer who passed away. Yeah, nice sale there. I had it up for, I think it was 90, and I had never received anything over like a half off offer. So this was from 90 down to 70. I thought that was a reasonable offer, and I took it. Next is West Virginia. This is Shepherdstown. This is Shepherd College State Normal School. Pre-1908. Yeah, what did I say? $14.99. This is Anaheim, California. Disneyland, Tomorrowland, Autotopia, Mickey and Donald. So there they are driving. Oh, I forgot Goofy. Oh, I did put Goofy. So there we go. That sold for $5.99. Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, Fantasyland, Mr. Musselman, Apple, Defunct Park. So yeah, this used to be a little mini roadside attraction. I don't think they really had rides. They may have had some rides. I was there a long time ago. I was very young. But anyway, yeah, a little bit of damage here, but these always sell. This one sold for $5.99. Some of the ones I've had have sold for 14, 15 bucks. This is Grants, New Mexico, the Lariat Lodge Motel, Route 66. Route 66 always sells $9.99. This is military patriotic cartoon Blackout, the rising sun plane shot down. So military humor from World War II, keep on flying, $5 best offer. This is going overseas. Patriotic 4th of July girl, waving flag, man shooting gun, fireworks. And that sold for $9.99. Get your 4th of July stuff up. It's probably a little bit too late. So I would be actually working on Thanksgiving stuff right now. That's what I would be getting up on the interwebs. This is Nunda, New York Business District. Noon or none? Noon. So anyway, $12.99 for that one. I think it's actually Nunday, New York. I like Nunda. Where's this? This is Clarksburg, West Virginia. A large letter greetings from Clarksburg, West Virginia. How old is this thing? 1943. $6.99 for that card. Same buyer bought this large letter greetings from Ogden. Again, same buyer who's been buying all my large letter greetings. So $5.99 for that one. Clearfield and Kerwinsville Country Club. This is in Pennsylvania. Not too far from where I grew up. $8.99 for that card. Trade card, Wilson Spice Company Dictionary Office offer, 1890s. There's that. 1895. And what did I do? Did I put 18? Okay, 1890s. That's fine. Same thing here, just a different view. Same offer. Is that an apple? Anyway. Then the last one, Los Angeles, California, Hody's Family Restaurant Interior, or Howdy's. Who knows? $7.99. So there we go. Great sales weekend again for not doing anything on eBay. I've not sent out offers for a couple days, and I've not listed in months. Just the benefit of having again a large inventory, a large store. You can just let it sit and coast. No airplane cards sold this weekend, so that's fine. Last thing, I do have a Whatnot auction on Tuesday. It's curated lots. They're all ready. I have to go shoot the videos of them now, which will be up on YouTube probably within the next couple hours. So that's it. I hope you all have had a great weekend sales, and we'll talk to you later.